You're listening to the Achievement Radio podcast, where you can unlock your full potential for success.
Today we have a fantastic topic on the table: cultivating leadership skills for personal success. Leadership is not just a position, it's a set of skills that can be honed for personal growth and achievement. We're going to explore three crucial aspects: overcoming adversity, achieving personal goals, and the importance of maintaining a positive mindset and mental health. So, buckle up and get ready to elevate your leadership game. Overcoming adversity. Life is an unpredictable journey filled with challenges, and one of the fundamental aspects of leadership is the ability to overcome adversity. Leaders aren't immune to setbacks. They're resilient individuals who navigate through tough times and emerge stronger. In this first segment, we'll delve into strategies to overcome adversity and build that resilience. To start, cultivating a growth mindset is a powerful tool. Instead of viewing challenges as insurmountable roadblocks, embrace them as opportunities for learning and growth. Remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback, and adopting this mindset can be transformative. Effective problem-solving is another key skill. Leaders assess situations, identify potential solutions, and take decisive action. It's about turning obstacles into stepping stones toward success. By developing this skill, you'll find yourself better equipped to navigate the twists and turns of life. Lastly, surround yourself with a supportive network. Whether it's friends, family, or mentors, having a strong support system can provide guidance and encouragement during challenging times. Don't be afraid to lean on others and share your experiences. Vulnerability is a strength. Overcoming adversity is just the initial step in our leadership journey. Now, let's shift our focus to achieving personal goals, another critical aspect of effective leadership. Setting and achieving personal goals is a hallmark of successful leadership. It's about having a vision for your life and taking intentional steps to make that vision a reality. Let's dive into some strategies to make this happen. Start by setting SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This framework helps you create clear objectives and a roadmap for success. Whether your goals are personal or professional, being smart about them increases your chances of success. Break your goals into smaller, manageable tasks. This approach makes the journey less overwhelming and allows you to celebrate small victories along the way. It's not just about the destination, it's about the progress you make each day. Stay focused and disciplined. Distractions are inevitable, but effective leaders prioritize their time and efforts to stay on track. It's about consistency over time, the small daily actions that compound into significant achievements. Now that we've explored achieving personal goals, let's shift our attention to maintaining a positive mindset and prioritizing mental health crucial elements for sustained leadership success. Positive mindset and mental health. Leadership starts from within, and maintaining a positive mindset is paramount for personal success. Additionally, taking care of your mental health is crucial in today's fast-paced world. Let's unpack some strategies to achieve and maintain both. Practice gratitude daily. Taking time to reflect on what you're thankful for can shift your focus from what's going wrong to what's going right. This simple practice fosters a positive outlook on life, even during challenging times. Embrace challenges with a positive attitude. Instead of viewing obstacles as insurmountable, see them as opportunities for personal and professional development. A positive mindset enables you to approach challenges with resilience and creativity. Prioritize self-care and mental well-being. Whether it's through meditation, regular exercise, or simply taking time for yourself, maintaining a healthy mind is fundamental to effective leadership. Remember, taking care of yourself is not selfish. It's a prerequisite for helping others. There you have it. 3 pillars for cultivating leadership skills: overcoming adversity, achieving personal goals, and maintaining a positive mindset and mental health. Leadership is a continuous journey, not a destination. Take these insights, apply them in your life, and watch as your leadership skills soar.
Thank you for being a part of the Achievement Radio podcast today. Your support means everything to us.